Hey, many people have been facing an issue lately where the sound on their Instagram stories isn't working. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix this issue. First things first, let's make sure it's not something simple. Check your phone's volume. It sounds obvious, but sometimes your device could be muted, or maybe your phone is on silent mode. Also, ensure your media volume is turned up. This is different from your ringtone volume. Give it a quick check before diving into anything complicated. If that's not the case, it's time to dig a little deeper. Head to your phone's settings, go to Apps, find Instagram, and clear the app's cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing glitches. Also, check if there's an update available for Instagram in your App Store. Outdated versions of the app can sometimes be buggy, and an update could fix the issue in seconds. If it still doesn't work, the ultimate solution is to delete and reinstall Instagram. Reinstalling the app can fix any corrupted files or bugs causing the problem. Once you've reinstalled Instagram, log back in, test your stories, and boom, your audio should be back. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.